In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom objects in HubSpot. Custom objects let you model data that doesn't fit neatly into standard records like contacts, companies, deals, or tickets. Think of things unique to your business, such as subscriptions, events, assets, or locations, and how you might want to report on them, associate them with contacts, and use them in automation. With that in mind, let's walk through how to get to the creation flow in HubSpot. Start on your HubSpot dashboard, then click the settings icon. It looks like a small gear and is typically located near the top of the interface. This takes you into the settings area, which is where you manage foundational items like data structure, properties, and object configuration. Inside settings, find and click on Objects in the left-hand sidebar. This section houses all record types. You'll see the familiar standard objects, and this is also where custom objects live. Opening the Objects area helps keep everything about your records and their properties in one place, so you can stay organized as your CRM grows. Next, click on Custom Objects. This opens the management space dedicated to any custom objects your account has, along with the option to create new ones. Even if you haven't built any yet, this hub is where you'll review them later, manage their properties, and control associations to other records. From here, click on Create Custom Object. This is the starting point for defining your new record type. After you select it, HubSpot presents a guided setup where you'll provide details such as the object's singular and plural names. Choose a primary display property to make records recognizable in lists, and outline how this object should relate to contacts, companies, deals, or tickets. You'll also see options that help standardize data entry and support reporting down the line. It's important to note that custom objects are a premium feature. You need to be on an eligible plan to create them, and you must have the right permissions. If you don't see the Create option, or you encounter a notice about plan requirements, that's an indicator your current subscription or access level doesn't include this capability. In that case, review your plan and permissions with your account administrator before proceeding. Before you finalize anything, take a moment to plan. Clarify what this object represents, how it should be named in singular and plural form, which property best identifies each record at a glance, and which standard objects it should associate with. A little forethought here makes your data easier to use in lists, workflows, and reports later. And that's it. You've navigated to the right place, opened the creation flow, and confirmed the plan requirement for custom objects in HubSpot.